Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. If you were able to catch the DXY I gave you in last week, you can go and check my last week video. I told you I was expecting the DXY to come in here and shoot up. So I gave you a EU trade. I told you it broke this structure and it was coming for this to go down. So if you're able to catch that free trade I gave you, congratulations. Go and check it. This was exactly what I gave you. And I actually got another entry too. It broke another structure here. I think it was on the 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. It gave me another break of structure and came back for another order block. So it was 2 trades in total. So if you're able to get back to this retracement of this consolidation, congratulations. Another reason why I was so much interested in that trade is because of this equal lows down here. So it was the liquidity, and I was expecting the market to come back to swipe it. So which it did, and I have another liquidity here on the 4 hours to the left. We have equal lows here. I was expecting the markets to take out too, which it has done. So once again, congratulations if you're able to get that trade. I am in on another sell on AU. I got the break of structure late on Friday, and after this consolidation, I had this expansion and the market retraced to the 50%. So I am already in. But if you are able to go to the lower time frame and get maybe a break of structure and a retracement too, you can join the sell. But as for me, I'm going to write this all the way to this point. So basically that's what I have for DXY. I don't really have trade, but for CHFJPY, I had this consolidation and the expansion. This expansion has given us a double top above, so giving us a reason for the market to go. I think it's even 3 equal highs. So it has given us a reason for it to want to come above after coming back for the demand zone. So because of these 3 equal highs, I'll be waiting to take the buy from this demand zone when the market comes in this week. And my TP will just be above these equal highs. It's as simple as that. I'm not going to target anything too serious. I will just, once the market clears out this liquidity, I'm no longer interested, because on the overall trade, I think this is still on the downtrend. So I just want to take advantage of that opportunity of the demand zone, because I have a demand zone down here that needs to be filled and the trend line down here too. So the market can decide to keep shooting down at any point. So I would not want to go above that place. So that's another free trade I'm giving you for the week. And for the last one, I'm giving you, I try to give you like 2. So I have a break of this AUDJPY and I have a demand zone down here. So if you go to the 2 hours, the market has given us some liquidity here. It might want to clear out. So once it comes here, I'll be willing to take this. But I won't be taking it above this other block here, because I have a break of structure to the downside too. And I have a consolidation and expansion too. So once I am here, I will be out of that trade. So I'm expecting the market to come in to this consolidation area and move up again. So that's the 2 trades I have for you. AUDJPY, I'm expecting a buy. CHFJPY, I'm expecting a buy also. So that's it for the week, guys. That's what I have for you. Like I always say, please always make sure you calculate how much you'll be risking on a trade before taking any trade. And please, because I am showing you what I'm looking at doesn't mean that's exactly what's going to happen. Always make sure you do your own analysis, guys. Make sure you do your own analysis. Make sure whatever buyers I'm giving you aligns with what you have yourself before risking your hard-earned money. Forex is not 100% certain. It can decide to do anything at any time. So make sure you understand what it is before you put in your money. And if you want to learn this, you want to learn what I'm doing, you want to learn how I trade, you want to understand everything I do. Because to some people, it's like I'm performing magic, telling you the market will do this and it does it. You understand? It's something that is easy, something you can learn as well. Ordinarily, watching my videos from time to time, you will learn some things on your own. But if you want to really have a one-on-one with me, watch my recorded private videos, reach out to me to join the group, and I'll be more than willing to help. Once again, happy Easter. I hope you are enjoying the holiday, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.